I think I need a bookkeeper, an accountant to work with me daily, a CFO to work with me on strategies, and a tax agent to complete tax returns. So who does my invoices and my cash flow? And I Google it, it looks like accountant can do everything. So how come I heard some small businesses hire a bookkeeper to do the cash flow? This is so confusing. What should I do? Today, I'm going to show you the fundamental differences between each role and how to select the right team for your business right now. My name is Sally Wright, your virtual CFO. Why it is important to know the differences between the different roles? Can't we just hire a bookkeeper to do it all? This is probably not a good idea. For example, a bookkeeper is not trained to provide cash flow advice. This causes anxiety by expecting employees with the wrong level of expertise to do the work above their ability. It's like having someone use a spoon to make your eyelashes curl, or using some sort of a tape to fix your blinds. And these fixes are never the right long-term solutions and will end in disaster, especially in business finance. While it may be tempting to let finance employees wear more than one hat to save your money, it's essential to understand the differences in day-to-day responsibilities and the skill sets of CFOs and accountants and tax agents and bookkeepers. A bookkeeper oversees day-to-day accounting tasks such as paying bills, entering accounts receivable, and performing bank reconciliation. And they are responsible for entering and coding your numbers in accounting system. Bookkeeping issues can often amount to garbage in and garbage out scenario. Wrong data being entered in accounts means that resulting reports analyzed and interpreted by leadership will not be accurate. A system of checks and balances must be in place to ensure the accounts are reviewed and balanced monthly. For example, continuously misallocating grocery bills to your IT expenses account will make your profit seem small and may decrease your tax refund. Bookkeepers typically work with the tax agents at the end of the year to assist with the tax returns and very little else. A certified public accountant, CPA, or chartered accountants may be hired in-house by a company as a full-time employee. It's most common that accountants support businesses as external independent consultant by providing financial audit experience and preparing and filing business tax returns. Most public accountants focus on historical information, raw data, and regulations except for some star performance. Now, accountants typically work with many different bookkeepers and also with the CFOs. They need each other's skill sets. And this is not to say accountant can't be a CFO. Many are. But if someone is focused on being up to date on the thousands of tax laws out there, can they forecast cash flow, do a cost-benefit analysis for acquisition, or handle a refinance? At the same time, most CFOs aren't up to speed on depreciation rules or tax compliance requirements, and the accountant is, so their roles are very different. While the accountants look at historical numbers and perform analysis, and CFO has a forward-looking role focused on the strategic financial direction of the business. The CFO is executive who works to protect the overall financial health of a company. Duties include developing financial KPIs of your business, market competitor analysis, maintaining relationship with banks and shareholders, capital investment, strategy, financial risk assessment, fundraising, and financial projections. The CFO depends on the accounting department, which is accountant and bookkeeper, to provide accurate numbers they can use for business forecasting and budgeting strategy to reduce debt and build equity for the business. Can I hire a bookkeeper or accountant to look after all my business finances? The answer is yes and no. Yes, if you want your business to suffer. No, if you want your business to grow. So to the question of should I hire a bookkeeper or accountant or CFO, the correct answer is you need to hire all three. A common question we hear is, can my CPA serve as my CFO? You probably have a long-standing and strong relationship with your accountant who will have helped you clean up your books and guide you through some of the most challenging years of your business. However, it's not recommended to rely on an accountant for CFO level responsibilities like strategic directions, and here are just a couple reasons why. Most accountants focus on tax law, and their focus will color their recommendations about your business, and they try to improve your business tax situation. Now, this financial advice may not align with your business overall goals or may not consider other factors that may be learned through leadership and operations meetings. When asking an accountant to do one-off analysis of your business, you will probably not receive 360-degree view if you don't think you tell the accountant every possible variable. Most accountants have a limited additional capacity during the tax season, so your business strategic needs might not be met. Think about it another way. Do you want the oil change person rebuilding your transmission? Why not, since they both work on cars? While there is a crossover and a collaboration between CFOs and accountants and bookkeepers, each person plays a unique role in the financial organization to ensure you have access to accurate, real-time numbers to make those critical business decisions. The key here is to work out a way to hire all three to perform the financial functions that you need to accelerate your business growth. Hey Sally, how can I afford all this? Now, the good news is that this isn't expensive to hire all three. You just need to hire them as you need them on a part-time basis to get the best bang for your buck. If you want to understand more about how you can have all these three roles in finance team, please check out the video on when I should hire a CFO to understand how you can hire a bookkeeper, accountant, and a CFO to supercharge your business performance. I'm sure that this information will help you understand the differences between bookkeeper, an accountant, and a CFO. These roles should never work independently because they are interrelated and they are required to get your business operating at a peak performance and give you the best value for money. At the New Market Accounts, our team consists of bookkeepers, accountants, tax agents, and CFOs. Within your business, all the three roles should be in place. Now, the bookkeeper is to record all day-to-day financial transactions, the accountant to take care of the tax and reporting obligations, and the CFO to set the financial strategy and provide a high level of insights and direction. If you got value out of this, check out the YouTube channel to subscribe for more financial insights. Please also click the bell icon to get notified of our next video. I'm Sally Wright, your virtual CFO. See you next time.